In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Reddit history. Whether you're trying to find a post you made a while ago, review comments you've left, or simply keep track of your activity on Reddit, knowing how to access your history can save you a lot of time and effort. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along on your own device as we go. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. If you're not signed in, you won't be able to see your personal history, because Reddit only shows this information for logged in users. Once you're on the Reddit homepage and signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen. Here, you should see your profile area. This might appear as your username, or as a small avatar or profile icon, depending on the device and version of Reddit you're using. Go ahead and click on your profile area in the top right corner. When you click it, a small menu will drop down. This menu includes several options related to your account, such as settings, your profile, and sometimes community-related shortcuts. What we're interested in here is viewing your full profile. From that menu, choose the option that says View Profile. Clicking, this will take you to your personal profile page on Reddit. This page is where you can see an overview of your activity, including your posts, comments, and other interactions. It's essentially your public face on the platform, and it's also where you'll find your history. Once you're on your profile page, look for the section or tab labeled History. On many versions of Reddit, this appears as one of the main tabs alongside things like posts and comments. Click on History. When you do this, Reddit will display a list of your recent activity, which can include posts you viewed or interacted with, depending on how Reddit is currently organizing this section. From here, you can scroll through and review what you've been doing on the platform. This is useful for revisiting something interesting you saw earlier, double-checking what you wrote in a comment, or just keeping track of how you use Reddit over time. And that's all there is to it. By clicking your profile in the top right, selecting View Profile, and then choosing History, you can quickly and easily check your Reddit history whenever you need it.